you okay? Okay. What are you trying to do?
I'm trying. Lay down. No, lay down. Lay down.
He's laying down.
Pippin's not laying down.
He's laying down. Being a good boy laying down.
Lay down. Lay down.
You're going to put it on him?
Yeah.
Okay. What if he doesn't want to wear it?
He's doing the right.
Oh, he does want to wear it?
Yeah.
Oh. Can you give Stetson a kiss? Claudia, can you give Stetson a kiss?
Yeah. After I pick
Maybe he doesn't want to wear the necklace.
Yes, he does want to.
Can you give him a kiss? Give him a kiss and tell him what a good boy he is. Say, oh, what a good boy. Oh, that was